Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Currency.
What does the dictionary say?
A system of money in general use in a particular country.
Math rap.
The name of the money used in a place, a country or countries, depending on case. The dollar, the euro, the pound and the yen, the ruble, Swiss franc, or South African rand.
Math rap.
What currency do coffee-drinking astronauts use in space? Starbucks! Explain currency in your own words. Do some research. What is a Bitcoin? Do some more research. What is the name of the currency used in the United States, England, France, Switzerland, South Africa, and Japan? If you started a new country, what would you call your currency? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!